that only 160 people died outside of the long-term care facilities. And get this, those who died of COVID-19 had an average of 2.6 pre-existing medical conditions. So if the majority of deaths are from long-term care facilities that maintain strict lockdown measures, does this not prove that lockdowns don't work in the first place? Think about this for a second. Do you ever recall there being a discussion or debate about COVID-19 in our policies? Were you ever consulted on the idea of just shutting everything down? Or were we forced to embrace lockdown and restriction measures that seemed...
to make. You either are going to stand with the people that you promised to stand beside, or you're going to be held accountable for these crimes, and everything's going to fall on your shoulders. Is that what you want? Because that's what's going to happen.
I've been coming after you for a long time. Since October 2019, when you ignored me for 10 days out of your office as I starved. I just want a conversation to talk about how to fix things, to be accountable. That's how you do it. You come to our table, the people's table. Many of us have been calling for you, but you keep hiding and running. Well, we're not going away, and when the weather thaws, I'm going to be back at it harder than ever with friends this time, not striking on my own. You sent officers to disband me, and they disobeyed your direct orders, saying, we'll take your email, and they can do their own dirty work. Officers on duty. They have discretion, guys. You have that discretion. Use it. So many times you've been there. When my brother was suffering psychosis and actually stole a car, an officer made the decision to take him to a hospital where he could get the help. Discretion is in your power. Even in yours, John Tory. Don't follow the leaders above you. Stand up and be a real one. We're waiting for it.
John Tory, did you hear that? Look out the window! We're sick and tired of corrupt politicians! We're not gonna take it anymore! We're not gonna take it